The question is, can you really make $20,000 a week on YouTube? The answer is a short yes, you can. I have a 3-step recipe or formula to show you exactly how this is done, so stay with me to the end of this video. Now I know that a lot of people are faking their income on videos like this, so I'm not going to be boring and show you fake information. Okay, let's climb right in. First, find a great program for software. Why do I recommend software? Software is a product that when people start using it, they cannot cancel because they need it. It is not something you purchase because you think it is cool. You purchase it because it is cool and you need this tool for your online business. The second thing is, make sure that the great program you found is one with a monthly recurring payment. If you promote software from sites like ClickBank, you will receive a commission once off and that's it. I have nothing against ClickBank. I'm using this platform myself. What I mean is, if you promote, for example, a fat loss program and you made 10 sales, you will receive commission on those 10 sales only. In this example, $28.53 times 10 equals $285.30. That is thus all that you will get for this month, so next month you need to start all over again. With a program like ClickFunnels, if you made 10 sales, you will receive commission on those sales every month as long as those people keep their membership. Every month they pay for their membership, you will get paid. With software like ClickFunnels, which is a funnel building software for example, you will receive monthly commissions and you can collect email addresses. ClickFunnels also have very informative courses. As for example, this is a free 5-day lead challenge course. The link for this course is in the description. Collecting email addresses is a critical part of affiliate marketing because each address you collect can give you more monthly income. The rule is $1 per email per month. If you have 10,000 on your list, it means $10,000 per month. This is one of the smartest ways you can go about with affiliate marketing. This means that every month you do not have to start at zero. If you have done your work correctly, then you will get more and more people signing up each month and your income will grow monthly. The lesson here is that you do not want to start at zero each month. That is a recipe for headaches and disaster. Now the third thing is, make sure you understand what you are selling. Make sure you will be able to educate your customers on the software you are promoting. What I mean by that is, if you are selling a product, lo and behold, you should know what you are selling. You should understand your product and you should know why people need it. You should know the pitfalls. You should know the excitements of that product. You should know why will somebody keep on using it. You should know what will cause somebody to quit using it. You will need to educate people on that product. Sit down with them and explain the product to them. Teach them how to use it. This is what is going to stop them from cancelling the product. You see, if you buy the product yourself, use it, look for and find the pitfalls, the good points, the reason why you might cancel it, those are the things you need to help your new client with and he will never cancel. Okay, let's recap. First, find a great affiliate program. Second, make sure that that software has a monthly recurring charge. This is super important. The last point is, make sure you understand what you are selling to be able to educate your customers so that they know what they bought. This is also super important. Implement these 3 steps and watch your success and income grow month after month. In the next video I'm going to discuss steps to get traffic to your offer. I hope you liked this video. The next important thing is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments and hit the bell so that you will be notified when I post more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.